Hello, how to create custom weldment profile in SolidWorks 2020. To create the custom weldment profile, first of all open the SolidWorks 2020. Then click the new part diagram. Then click OK. Then click any planes. Then click sketch. Uh, Then draw your weldment profile. I draw one square. Uh, Now I draw one square profile. Then click the exit sketch. Now remember, you should select the sketch to save the weldment profile. If you don't select the sketch one, you don't able to save it, or you have any problems. Then select the sketch. Then click save as icon. Click save as. Then save the your drawing in any folder. I save this in desktop. Please note that save as your file in libfit part. You saw this dot sld lfb. If you select this file, it shows some folder. You can select this folder or save any other folder. I save in desktop. Then you give the name for this file. I give 50x50x2. Remember, save this file as .sld lfb. Then click save. Then minimize the SolidWorks. Now you know the where the weldment profile is saved. If you install SolidWorks in normal, it will saved in C folder. I show this. Open the local disk C, then open program files folder, then open the SolidWorks Corp. In profile, in program files folder, you saw the SolidWorks Corp file. In that, open the SolidWorks folder. After that, open the LANG folder. LANG folder. After that, open the English folder. Now you saw the weldment profile folder in English folder. Open the weldment profile. You saw the already saved weldment profile in this folder. Now I create the one new folder. It shows some access and click continue. I create one new folder name custom and click OK. Open the custom folder, then create the new folder. Name this folder as your wish. I save this profile as folder as square. Open this folder. Now copy the weldment profile you draw in this folder. My weldment file is there in desktop. I copy this folder, then paste this part in square folder. It shows some permissions. Click continue. It will copy. Uh, Note that location in C drive, then open program file, then open SolidWorks Corp, then open SolidWorks, then open language, then open English, then open weldment profile. After that, you can create the new folder with your name. Now close this folder. Then I'm open the SolidWorks 2020. Now open the new part and click any plane. Now I draw one diagram, one line, sketch, weldment. In weldment, in structural member, you can saw the custom folder in standard. The custom is created by myself now. Then type your square folder. The size is our given size. And click the line. You saw this. Now our custom weldment profile is created in SolidWorks 2020. Thank you. Many of them have some problems in saving this file. So first of all, save the weldment file in desktop or any other folder. Then copy the weldment profile part in that C folder profile. Thank you.